Hi everyone, Cindy Squirrel here. Well, remember that I'm doing the Winter Indoor Gardening 2023, and it has been an amazing adventure. I was a little late getting my seeds in the pots. This is my tender green bush bean, and I put it in December 20th, and this is February 15th. So I just wanted to give you an update. Now, this bean plant did exactly what a bean plant is supposed to. This is a bush bean, and it put on 3 flowers a while ago, and they immediately dropped off. That's what they're supposed to do. If it's out in the garden, you don't notice these little things, but when you're sitting watching a plant all day, you notice. And it was like, oh, that's what they're supposed to do, because it wasn't ready to produce fruit yet. And I say fruit, it's a vegetable, but from flower to, I call it fruit. Okay, so we had some other flowers that came on later after it grew a few more leaves. Now, it's not the prettiest and it's not the biggest bush bean, but it's only 1 seed, and it's indoor and it's cooler and low light. But look what I have here. Do you see? Now, I should have maybe picked it a couple days ago, because it is starting to get the bumps in it, and if I had picked it before the bumps, it'd be just a little bit more tender. So this might not be, you know, the most tender green bean there is, but, and by picking this off, hopefully more flowers will appear and I won't get one lonely bean off of one lonely plant. Yeah, it should have been picked yesterday. Still good though. Fresh green bean right off the plant in the middle of February. Who would have thought, eh? And I'm in zone 2B, and I'm eating fresh green beans. Can't beat that. Thank you, Mike's Chaotic Garden and GT Junior Grows Alaska, for starting this beautiful collaboration challenge for indoor gardening. Wait till tomorrow to see that video. So this is my tender green bush bean, eating fresh beans, middle of February.